Okay, guys, we are going to try this out. This is a company called Maniology, and I have been seeing this done for some time now, and it has always piqued my interest. And when they reached out to me and asked me if this is something that I would like to try out, of course, I had to think hard about it because I'm not that great at doing nails. But I really wanted to try it out, and I don't know how they find me because my nails are never looking all that fancy or anything unless I put on some fake nails or have my nails done. So they really are saying to you,
if she can do it, you can do it.
And so I am excited to try this out. I have been watching videos. It has taken me a little time. I had to figure out a way to set this up because, of course, I'm not doing my makeup, in my makeup room. So I have this little setup here. These are all the little goodies that they sent me. This here is so cute. This is a little tool that I'll show you. It picks up the tissue to be able to use the acetone to clean off your plates or your fingernails. This here is an amazing true crime plate. I don't think I'm going to use this one today. I already have my nails painted and don't look too close, but I have them painted. I have really brittle, fine nails too, so even if I paint them, they still kind of look wonky, and so that's probably why I feel like I don't do a good job on my nails, is because really it's the quality of my nails. Anyways, on to what I was talking about. This is a true crime plate. I cannot wait to play around with this because this is not the only time. We're going to just try it out the first time on my own nails, but I use fake nails all the time. Most of the time whenever you guys see my nails, that's what I'm wearing. So I have, it doesn't have all of them on there, but I have these little deals here that I'm going to put my nails on there, and we're going to do some designs. I cannot wait to do some of my fake nails. So that I'm super excited about. If you're not already following me, then go ahead and subscribe, hit your notification bell whenever I have some more of these videos coming up doing the nails in the future. So
we're going to just check it out. So today we're going to see if it's going to work on my nails. If I can do it, you can do it, and we'll all get through this together. That's all I got to say. Okay.
We're going to go ahead and we're going to use this one. This one came in my kit. It is Galaxy Super, and it has like gemstones and everything. It's so, so cute, but it's very like all your galaxy type things, and that's why I went with this blue. This is a little extra set that I got to pick out. They let me pick out some things, and then they sent me some things. This was like a tacky base coat. This is the polish right now that I have on my nails, and this is called Glass Slipper. This is out of the Grimm's Nightfall kit that I ordered. That's the one that I had picked out for my polishes. And this plate here is like garden-esque kind of patterns, but I got this because it has a hummingbird on it, and if you know me, you know I love hummingbirds. So we will try that out too, probably later on with some of my longer nails. Okay, in my kit, it came with the Galaxy plate, and then you have these little polishes here that also come with it. And then it also comes with your stamper. They also sent me this little brush tool. It's so cute. I love the little diamond crystals in there. But this here is to help clean up around your edges. You can put that in with your acetone and be able to do that. It has a lid. That's so cute. And then this is the little grabber thing. At first, whenever I opened this up on a live stream and I was showing everybody, and I didn't know what this was, I was like, oh, it's a grabber. And so, yeah, you put your little cotton pad on there, and you can either take off your nail polish, but what I've seen others do is when you clean these have a little plastic thing too. You got to make sure that you remove that off the top part of here. There's a little seal that will take those off. But when you go to clean your stamping plate, you rub it, and you're not going to get the acetone on your fingernails and take off the polish that you've already put on. Okay, I got it started, but look how pretty that plate is. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm so nervous. I think I'm going to layer over this purpley color over top of it. We're going to give that a go and see how that works over top of this blue. I think we should just jump right into it before I get nervous and back out. I do see that they use napkins a lot. I tell you, I have been doing my homework.
Y'all, I'm breaking out the Chanel cotton pads for this. Because you all know I'm bougie around here, all right? You know, if you know, you know. Okay, no, I'm just kidding.
Okay, so I'm going to fold this up like this. Here is what I can see that you do. And then you stick your little pad in there, and you just see how it grabs it just perfectly. I love it. And then you can dip it into your acetone and use it. in the way that you need to use it for. All right, so I'm going to show you on this hand because, you know, I'm right-handed and, you know.
So we're going to do, oh my goodness, I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm so scared.
Best way that I can describe what to do here is you figure out where you want, what you want, you put the polish over top of it, you scrape it off with your scraper, and then you pick it up on your little stamper daily, and then you stamp it to your nail. Just doing one right off the bat, no practice, and you put quite a bit on there from what I can tell, and then you go and you scrape it off. Okay, and wipe off your deal. And then I'm going to take my little stamper dude and I'm going to pick it up. Oh, look, look, can you see it? It's on there. It's on there. I did it. Let's see if we can transfer it. I'm going to put this, I'm going to try to put it right there. Yeah. I'm so glad I'm doing this with you guys because I think the purple's not going to show with the blue very well. So we're going to do a little bit of the silver that came with it. Let's give that a go. Let's do some silver. Let's do this bigger little thing here. We'll scrape the band off and we're going to put the silver on. And we're going to just take that and we're going to stick it right over top of the, oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Okay, let me clean it up. Let me get it to focus. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, okay, now I'm excited. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me clean up the edges. I'm going to take that little pen that they gave me and I'm going to stick it into the acetone. Y'all are trying this for the very first time with me, okay? So I have not practiced because you know what? If you guys get this and you guys are on the level that I am when doing my nails, I don't do my nails, okay? Like if you're on the, if I can make something cute, you can too. And that's what I wanted you guys to see. You know what I mean? Like, that's cute. I'm going to wipe off my plate. I'm going to do a few more, and then for just to kind of give you an idea of how to do it, and I'll play around off camera and come up with a look and then show you the revealed nails once I get them all done and see what I come up with for the sake of time because we don't want to make an extremely long video. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Let's try this little. I like whenever they'll take like just an edge of something. I love it when they do this. Okay, and then they take their little scraper dude. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let me clean up the edges. I like this. Oh my goodness. Now I'm getting excited, you guys. I'm getting excited. I love it. I love it, you guys. I love that. I love it. Look at that. That purple, I'm going to go over that purple with silver. Sorry, you guys, I do have a hang up. I'm going to cover it. But I am going to go over that purple that didn't show up very well over the blue, that moon. I'm going to go over it with some silver, and it's going to look pretty because it's going to look like I did it on purpose. Like I did a double little stamp, so.
You guys, if Maniology watches this, you guys just gotta know what you sign up for, okay? If you watched my videos, you knew I was a dork. You're gonna get just real me, okay? It may not be super professional, but it's real. Okay.
Let's do this little thingy down thing. We're gonna do that over where I goofed up. I like this silver over top of this blue. It is really pretty. And you guys, they have these monthly subscription boxes where they do different styles and everything each month. And y'all, I'm thinking that might be a great idea because I'm liking this. Look, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. That's so cute. Okay, let me clean it up. I'm feeling like I can actually do my nails, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Yeah. You know, and you can, you know, plan it a little better than I am. I'm just showing you all the different designs, but like you can go in a pattern. I do also have a code with Maniology. So if you guys are thinking that you want to be brave and you want to do this too, because if I can do it, now you know you can do it. So if you guys use code Debutawn, you can also save you some money. Let me clean it up. It looks really good. And I'm trying not to be a dork because I'm getting really excited every time something turns out. But let me clean this up. Oh my goodness, it's super cute. It's funny that I say love it because it says love in cursive, but the other way. But I've got to try to get love. Isn't that cute? This is fun. This is therapeutic, you guys. The more practice I get at this, I'm going to be able to be more creative. Oh my goodness. Look at that pinky now. Look at the little shooting stars. That's so cute. Why don't I just, I said I was going to save on time, but I feel like I want to do the other side, but maybe try to see. Let me try this. Let me just see if that will show up. Because I did get kind of a darker palette of polishes. I'm definitely going to have to get, I probably should have painted them lighter and then stamped with the darker, but this is all learning. We're learning together. We'll figure this out. I want to go into this heart, see if it'll show up well. Okay, and I did see them take away, okay, yeah, your stamp scraper, you can scrape away some of the stuff you don't want to transfer. Okay, well, I don't think I stamped that one right, but it is showing. So I'm going to go in with a different design and layer it over top.
What I'm learning really quickly with this, you guys, which is very important for somebody like me, is that you really can't screw it up. And if you do, there's acetone. So that's a plus for me. Okay.
All I'm trying to say is don't be afraid. I need something with a thicker, more bolder. Yeah, that one does show up a little bit better, but I'm not sure I like it that much. So once again, I don't think you can mess it up. I'm going to clean up my plate. And then we're going to go back in with the silver because the silver on top of this blue is way better contrast. And then it'll just look, once again, like I meant to do it. All right, so let's go back in with the silver. I'm so glad that I tried out the silver because the silver is working the best. Reach for the stars. Let's see if we can get it to show up. It did. I did it crooked because I was trying to go fast, but it shows. So let me show you what it looks like. Let me clean up my finger here. Look, reach for the stars. It's crooked, but that's okay because it matches the crooked gem on that side. And hey, I could have meant it to be that way. They're both folding kind of inward. I don't know. I will learn, you guys. I promise. This is going way better than I ever thought it could. So let's go into oh, it did. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me clean up. Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh, okay. And this is my opposite hand. I was like, how the heck am I going to do my opposite hand? Because like I said, I'm not good at doing my nails. Never have been. Definitely have just a little jar of acetone right next to you that you can dip your brush into or your cotton pad. Paper towels on hand right next to you just for little cleanup things. The other really cool thing is, look at how cute that is. Sorry, I'm still cleaning up the edges, but like the other really cool thing is that it dries instantly. So I can put a clear top over top of that immediately. Like, isn't that cool? Let's go in and do the last two. We're going to skip the ring finger and go to the pinky. I want to see what we can use on that one. I think what I want to do, I want to do another one of these little hingy things. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love that one. Oh, that's so cute. I could do all my nails in that. Like, I love that pattern so much. They're all so pretty, but that one is my favorite. I will clean them up even more, but that is so pretty. I have very, very small nails, you guys. Like, if I order fake nails, I have to order the extra small. Every time I order an extra small, they always go, are you sure you want an extra small? I'm like, I am sure I want an extra small. When you measure out my nail bed, it just is. I have very, very small nails. And then on the last one, I'm going to do this little gem looking stone thing, this crystal. It's so cute. That's going to be on my ring finger. There, Look at the gemstones. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me clean it up. I will clean up my fingers a little bit better. Take some photos. You guys, look at it. Don't pay attention to my fingers. Just look at the painted part. Okay. Yes. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I did it, you guys. You know, I'm trying all the patterns out. You know, you can make it more coordinated and stuff like that. You know, put a little bit more thought into it. But I just want to show you that, guys, if I can do it, you can do it. It's so cute. And I cannot tell you how excited I am now to try this out on my fake nails and be able to, like, I have these, like, this little thing here, and I'll just stick them on there, and we will do some painting where I can hold it and I can stamp it and do all kinds of fun stuff. So I can't wait for that video. We may even do this live. You guys tell me down in the comment section if this is something you guys would like to see done live. We could try that too. Code Debutawn will save you some money with Maniology, and I will have all their information linked down below. Until the next time, guys, I hope glitter catches your eye but never goes in it. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.